Okay, so the recording is on. So what is the topic for today? Is it attributes? Is it what is it? So basically, so the purpose of this video, to be quite honest, was to sort of, um, you know, talk about some stuff that like maybe new players are not familiar with, because personally, like I remember how like overwhelming it was to sort of like see all the information that Genshin had in its game, because I had no
Yeah, I
prior.
think for people who are not like used to playing RPGs, it can seem like information overload.
Yeah. So if you were to like give advice to like newcomers, so what would be the first thing? Like, what would be some of the things for them to like keep an eye out for? And I think like I think
I think the first and most important thing I would say to a new player is that uh, tier lists are garbage.
yeah,
Yes, I
yeah,
agree.
yeah.
Never
Actually,
look at the tier list.
yeah.
Like
I
new
I
players
guess
wouldn't know this, but if you have been playing for a while, you would know that जब game आई थी, तो
Hmm,
Bennett was ranked B tier,
hmm, hmm.
and now no team is complete without Bennett.
I guess another case would be Shangling, who was rated as just a physical DPS while being a pyro. Even though people later realize how extremely good she is as a pyro
Oh
carry.
yes, yes. He
Eh,
was ran as a Crescent Pike physical carry for a very long time.
Yeah,
I mean, if you're like a completely free to play player like Enviosity and stuff, so I think you kind of need to like run her with the Crescent Pike, because her, so, like because like as a free to play player, तो जो है वो, I think Enviosity pushes the envelope on what it means to be a free to play player, because he doesn't even wish on banners and stuff.
No, now he started doing that. Like I think he's getting addicted to the gacha. But I actually like sometimes follow his stream, and he's almost always like doing a best on day one
Hmm.
with whichever like characters that he got in that time with completely like bogus artifacts.
Hmm.
I think he like sees it as like a mark of pride to do abyss with like very cheap builds, I would.
but
And by
realistically
cheap I mean
speaking,
resin cheap.
even if like people who don't even know how to play the game don't have like those type of builds, like everyone levels their artifacts level 20. Like if
But
when they're at like higher adventure rank levels, like
but it
50.
depends on like how good of the artifacts you want, right? Like
Yeah, I suppose.
it takes a while to farm artifacts that something that like a old player would consider good.
Yeah, but like since we're talking about beginners, so like matlab, like for us players like who are like advanced ARs, like I personally remember I learned the hard way that, oh, you're not supposed to farm for artifacts before AR 45, because before AR 45 you're not guaranteed gold drops, right? Gold is like the 5-star tier, like the highest tier you can go to. And then like I think ultimately, because the game is designed in a way कि जहाँ पे character का I would say 80 to 90% जो damage potential है वो artifacts से ही आता है, मगर artifacts के ऊपर जो
Yeah.
RNG लगा हुआ है वो इतना सड़ियल और बकवास है कि it is too much of an investment to hope for कि मुझे एक अच्छा पीस मिल जाए, which brings me back to one thing that I was very sort of मुझे अच्छी तरह याद है कि मुझे बहुत टेंशन होती थी इस बात की, कि वो थी जब मैंने गेम स्टार्ट की थी, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टेंशन ये होती थी कि मेरे सेट बोनसेस पूरे नहीं हो रहे हैं। तो लाइक मुझे हमेशा ये होता था कि अच्छा मैंने 2 पीस बरसर के रखना है क्योंकि वो जी उससे मेरा क्रिट रेट बढ़ रहा है, और 2 पीस मेरे मार्शल आर्टिस्ट लगाना है क्योंकि उससे मेरी ई स्किल जो है वो क्या कहते हैं, उससे ई स्किल जो है वो
But
बढ़ रही है।
here's the rub of all that. कि before AR 50, I think you should reasonably not even expect to be able to do a best 12.
Yes, definitely agreed.
Right before Abyss 12, it's like it should not even be on your radar.
I'd say floor 11 is fine because I was doing floor
11
11
is
when I
much
was
easier.
AR
It
45 or so.
it used to be like something like there was not that much of a difference between 11 and 12, but अब
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा difference है.
Remember that ley line defense wala abyss floor 11?
Oh God. I think that was probably the worst.
हाँ
Yes.
पर लाइक
Like
उस वक्त जो है वो क्या कहते हैं आई थिंक मतलब लाइक वी वो बात वही है कि इवन दो वी वर लाइक हाई ए आर वी वरंट रियली फोकसिंग ऑन हाउ टू एक्यूरेटली प्ले द गेम यू नो मतलब आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट के आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट के लोग जो हैं वो क्या कहते हैं स्टार्टर कैरेक्टर्स के ऊपर शिट करते हैं कि जी के वो एम्बर बड़ी बकवास है और जी काया बड़ा बकवास है और जी लीसा ये तो लीसा वो बट
पर लोग कर रहे हैं.
लोग कर
People are
रहे हैं
doing a best with Amber.
yes they are and matlab मैं मतलब like that's what I like kind of like want to sort of like point out in this video के अब like case in point like my nephew right he started playing the game और वो YouTube पे जब जाता है और जो है वो क्या कहते हैं वो ही उसको नज़र आता है कि जी के अच्छा गोरे वेल्स जो हैं वो क्या कहते हैं या पता नहीं जो लोग अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं एक कैरेक्टर को उसके बैनर के ऊपर जो है वो C6 करना वो C6 करके भी जो है वो रो रहे होते हैं कि जी के ओ जी कैरेक्टर के पास जो कैरेक्टर की जी द कैरेक्टर इज़ नॉट गुड तो आई थिंक दैट एक तो लाइक मतलब एज अ न्यू प्लेयर दैट इज़ अ वेरी सॉर्ट ऑफ
It
लाइक
builds up a very wrong expectation from the
यस
Yeah.
यस आई रिमेम्बर जब मुझे मुझे बेडो मिली थी खबर तुम्हें अगर याद हो तो कि मुझे जब बेडो मिली थी एंड आई वाज लाइक वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड कि जी के ओ ये तो उतना डैमेज नहीं कर रही मुझे लग रहा है डैमेज बड़ा कम कर रही है और ये और वो फलान ढिमका और आई डोंट नो से जो है वो जो लोग हैं जो मतलब हर बैनर के ऊपर जो है वो हज़ार $1,000 लगा देते हैं C6 करने पे उनकी जो है वो एडवाइस क्या होती थी हाँ अच्छा पहले परमा बैनर में से जो है वो R5 वुल्फ ग्रेवस्टोन निकाले उसको
Yeah.
लेवल 90 करे बेडो पे लगाए और ये देखे जी 1 लाख से ऊपर
100K
डैमेज
damage.
मतलब
100K
नए
damage.
प्लेयर्स को ये बात नहीं पता होगी बट लाइक व्हेन जोंगली केम आउट
हाँ
इट वाज अ होल मेस
यस
के वो अंडरपावर्ड था compared to the previous Archon that we had.
यस
और there were certain people who were saying कि नहीं ऐसा कोई मसला नहीं है and the fact that he is underpowered is fine because they were not playing the same game.
yeah
Whales are playing a different game than the rest of us.
yes they are and they're still not happy like they're still not happy I
So of course they're not happy. मतलब देखो ना, the kind of the hardest challenge in the game we have is Abyss 12.
hmm.
And that you can do with like all your 5 stars at Constellation 0.
Hmm.
You can do it with under-geared characters. You can do it with characters who are not considered meta, you know.
Hmm.
तो मतलब अगर आप ये सब कर सकते हो तो फिर आपको एक C6 कैरेक्टर और R5 रिफाइनमेंट 5 वेपन की क्या जरूरत है मतलब आप क्या कर लोगे उससे
हम्म और मुझे एक चीज़ ना याद है वो जो कौन सा था द एबिस विद द ले लाइन डिसऑर्डर जिसके अंदर हाइड्रो वो ले लाइन डिसऑर्डर था जिसमें स्किल कूलडाउन
waters.
स्लोइंग वाटर्स वाला
Yes.
पीपल डिस्पाइट जो है वो क्या कहते हैं डिस्पाइट जो है वो क्या कहते हैं लाइक हैविंग गानियो C6 और जो है वो एमोस बो R5 ऑल ऑफ दीज वेल्स वर क्राइंग के जी के ओ जी ये अबिस जी बड़ा मुश्किल है और जी हमसे नहीं हो रहा और ये कैसा अबिस बना दी है
And we were doing it.
मतलब हाँ बस श्योर वी वर नॉट गेटिंग लाइक मतलब हमें पूरे वो नहीं मिल रहे थे क्या कहते हैं यू नो ऑल द स्टार्स बट लाइक मैं वही कहने की कोशिश करूँ कि लाइक अगर इफ़ यूर अ लो स्पेंडर और यूर एन F2P लाइक फ्री टू प्ले द गेम इज़ नॉट डिज़ाइंड कि it will be disadvantageous to you you know
It will not be disadvantageous, but it will not make you happy.
yes that is
सबसे
true
बड़ी कंप्लेंट जो फ्री टू प्ले प्लेयर्स की है वो यही है कि लाइक we're not getting enough characters, we're not getting enough gems.
वो तो
मतलब
like yes,
the game sort of manipulates you into wanting to gamble,
yeah, yeah.
but
Yes.
that doesn't mean that you have to gamble.
हाँ मतलब like and I guess like out of all these streamers like I think Enviosity is like one person who I would say is like by far and most like proving that you don't need you know multiple constellations और मतलब अब मगर इसके साथ जो है वो there's another interesting phenomena which like you're well aware of के people who literally save for multiple banners just for one character like मतलब I've read about people who जिन्होंने श्याओ को पहली दफ़ा जब कट सीन में देखा था तो उन्होंने जो है वो जी तय कर लिया था कि जी ओ दिस इज़ वन कैरेक्टर जो मैंने C6 करना है जब इसका जो है वो जी बैनर लॉन्च होगा एंड पीपल डिड डू दैट like matlab I have friends in Lahore, I have a friend in Lahore matlab and he has been saving for Baal for like I think कोई 4 से 6 banners previous जो गुजरे हैं अभी उसके लिए he's been saving for Baal and he had like around 40,000 gems or something and he managed to get it to C2 but at the same time like you know
Is it worth it?
is it worth it yeah matlab
Yeah, because like I right now when you told me how much damage that build was doing, even at C2, that was like 141k. Even though my C0 Radiant is still doing 110k in Abyss with the catch.
या वो
मतलब
बात वही है ना कि या तो आप जो है वो क्या कहते हैं देखें कॉन्स्टलेशंस के पीछे अगर आपने जाना है तो उसके लिए तो जी मतलब या जो है वो क्या कहते हैं पापा का पैसा होना चाहिए या तो मतलब कोई हराम की कमाई का कोई जरिया होना चाहिए कि आप कर लें ठीक है क्योंकि लाइक पाकिस्तानी रुपी कन्वर्टेड इनटू डॉलर जस्ट डज नॉट लाइक मतलब यू नो इट डज नॉट ट्रांसलेट टू लाइक PKR
Good
where
value for money.
good value for money right and matlab like I will admit here right now कि मतलब I have spent a total of $100 on the game but I did it over a period of a year and मतलब despite heavily debating कि जी के मैं जो है वो क्या कहते हैं $100 पैक खरीद लूँ क्योंकि एनिवर्सरी के ऊपर जो है वो रिफ्रेश होना ही था I still did not because in actuality I would be spending $300 instead of $200 you know like वो जो $100 है वो तो वापस नहीं आने थे ना
Yeah, of course. Matlab, there has been like a lot of discussion ke Raiden Shogun's banner is the most successful banner so far since the game launched. Okay? And a lot of this is attributed to the fact that the top-up bonuses were reset. तो जिन लोगों ने पैक्स नहीं खरीदने थे ना उन्होंने भी फिर भी ले लिए कि यार ये तो वैसे ही रीसेट हो जाने हैं तो ये अभी ले लो
Chingse?
and those are the kind of traps that you kind of have to watch out for.
Yeah.
पर यार देखो ना another criticism I would have of the game is के the game does not explain very well the progression system.
Yes, it does not. It does not. Matlab, 100% agree with that.
मतलब when you start the game you are so overwhelmed by things कि आप 2 quests करके आ रहे हो तो आपको जो है ना एक 2 adventure ranks मिल रहे हैं और rewards मिल रहे हैं and like you're getting tens of thousands of gems from exploration and all these things. तो मतलब and that is not what the game actually is, right?
Yeah. Matlab, I remember when you started the game, matlab, I had to go away on a matlab, I had to go away on like official business trip, and I was like, even though I was the one who asked you to start the game, I was 1 week late in like starting it. Or in that 1 week, you had progressed to the point कि जहाँ पे where मतलब अभी भी like you know the gap is still felt. Like you hit pity earlier on your banners. matlab you're always like that 1 week ahead of me basically. If you're
Yeah. For
तो
sure.
तो मतलब like
And
जब आप
I but the thing is कि मतलब has that really impacted us? मतलब देखो the progression system goes down so slow कि जिन लोगों ने Matlab, that was we started playing in like October or something, October or November of
Yeah,
last
I
year.
think on the cusp of like
Or
the Klee banner.
yeah, or people who have started playing like this time. Ashad, when did you start playing?
I started playing when the Zhongli banner was running.
The
The
original.
first one.
The original one, yes.
People who started in like I think January, like AR-55 now,
Hmm.
and we are
Yeah,
AR-57.
yeah.
So the gameplay, the progression gets so slow. Okay, it doesn't matter when you start, we all end up in the same place.
Hmm.
Yeah, there's a huge stop gap after AR-55. So, matlab, in AR-55, like leveling up your adventure rank is relatively quick, I would say.
Yeah.
Yeah, matlab, that's absolutely right. I still remember the pressure that I used to feel, playing ke like, oh, I have to get to a certain point just so that I can enjoy with my friends. You know,
Yeah.
it was just like unnecessary, I would say. And matlab, उसके बाद मतलब and I remember कि मतलब I remember कि I remember I used to be like matlab, so however, if you remember, so like you were a big fan of Diluc then, right? And you
Oh yeah.
really wanted him because you were like, यार everybody जो है वो क्या कहते हैं wants it, everybody is like everybody is after this guy, I want this guy, और जो है वो मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे चाहिए किसी तरह. And I remember we used to do that stupid placebo trick के जो है वेंटी के स्टैचू में बैठ के जाके midnight करके.
Yeah, and it doesn't also tip for new players. It doesn't really matter where you wish.
Yeah. If you have to hit early pity, you will hit early pity even in the middle of like a, I don't
You
know.
will get Homa even if you stand in front of the abyss entrance.
Yes.
Yeah. Matlab,
one in one wish.
yeah.
I
So
have actually seen a video of a guy who was standing on top
Yeah,
of
yeah,
the
that's the
abyss
video I
door
was missing.
and pulled a Homa in one pull.
Yeah, that was his first ever wish on the weapons banner.
yeah.
It was so
So
nice. Good for him.
yeah. So matlab, this like that happened with me like on the Xiao banner. Matlab, I got Xiao, and then just like I think 20 pulls later, I got another copy of Xiao. Like I won the 50-50 again. Like the first time it was confirmed that I'm going to get Xiao, but then the next pity that I hit, I won the 50-50 and I got Xiao C1. Or
I think 50-50 is one of those mechanics where it
That we
just
should
tempers
explain.
your expectations.
yeah, it tempers your expectations, and plus those are people who whine about getting Chi Chi. She is deliberately created to sort of make sure that
Make you spend.
yeah, matlab she's a stopgap basically. Matlab the game does not want you to feel too happy too soon, So she's there to sort of like, mitigate whatever like, MiHoYo has has designed the game around. And to be
हाँ, तो
honest,
मतलब
and to
देखो
be
ना,
honest, if you're an early player, so if you get Chi-Chi as a 5-star, like
they will carry you
she
to
will
AR-55.
carry you to like mid or late game. The problem, yes, she's like matlab flawed in the sense that like all she does is healing, but like in early mid game, the number one sort of like problem that I used to have was KGK, my characters were not surviving. The first time I remember, the first time in my वो Razor वाली quest में जो है वो when you fight the wolf, like
Yeah,
it
yeah,
was
yeah.
it was cancer भाई, it was cancer. It was like however तुम्हें याद होगा, मैं like I was, मैं messages पर रो रहा था कि भाई मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, मैं क्या करूं. And then you were like,
And
hey,
that's the
eat
thing,
food, have potions, and like, matlab, and I went and did it, and I was like, oh, okay, this was easy. And this is just something the game does not tell you to do. This is not something the
the
game.
game does not tell you how much these mechanics make a difference.
Yes, they do not.
You can basically cheese any content with food
Yeah, with
in
food
a
or
certain
potions.
and things that you don't have access to in Abyss. And I think that's the real reason that Abyss is hard.
Yeah, matlab, that's fine. Matlab, like Abyss is supposed to be a true test of like, matlab, how much
Your characters.
of your character catcher, how much of an investment you've done. But things like matlab, ab jis tarah ye, like the things like matlab, if you are not AR-45, you're not supposed to farm for artifacts is something the game never tells you.
Yeah.
Guaranteed gold drops wala jo requirement hai, the game has
It
never,
doesn't tell you.
it doesn't tell you. It was something that I sort of like, I don't know, found out through you, Khavar, कि I shouldn't be doing that. And
Yeah.
एंड नए प्लेयर्स को क्योंकि ये होता है कि जो है वो वेल टाइप वीडियोस देखते हैं या वो शोकेस टाइप वीडियोस देखते हैं जिसके अंदर जो है वो क्या कहते हैं 13% क्रेट रेट होता है और 300% क्रेट डैमेज होता है. वो जाते हैं रेजिस वाइन पे और बेनी की फील्ड में खड़े होके तो जो है वो
Damage per screenshot.
डैमेज पर स्क्रीनशॉट करके तो जो है वो क्या कहते हैं दे जस्ट लाइक ओ वाओ माय गॉड लाइक 1 मिलियन डैमेज और जो है वो क्या कहते हैं लाइक करके लाइक आई रिमेंबर हाउ मच इट फक्ड विद माई हेड भाई. तो मतलब लाइक ये जो अभी नए प्लेयर्स हैं और द थिंग इज ओके सो वी एज न्यू प्लेयर्स आई थिंक वी स्टिल लाइक मतलब वर लकी इनफ के हमारे पास सिर्फ जो है वो क्या कहते हैं मॉन्स्टर्ड और लियोए थे एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. Like the only new area that came during when we were playing was Dragon's Spine,
Yeah.
and Dragon's Spine,
Yeah.
to be honest, was like not that big of a area anyway. Yes, the freezing mechanic was मतलब kind of stupid और जो है वो क्या कहते हैं थोड़ा सा वो था annoying, but मतलब but like with Inazuma there is so much exploration to do. There is so much exploration to do के मतलब like
New players will be set for months.
yeah, new players will be set for months and like मतलब I want new players to like realize the fact that they like I kind of hate the advice that it's a game, just enjoy it, there's no set way to play it, to be really counterproductive because there is a way to play this game, right?
Yeah, just like there's a way to play every game.
हाँ तो और जो लोग कहते हैं वो यार इट्स अ गेम जो है अपनी मर्जी करो और जो है वो लाइक जो पसंद आता है वो करो. इट्स लाइक मतलब that's just like a bullshit excuse to like not
I kind of get it because if you're constantly fighting against the mechanics of how the game was designed, you won't have fun.
yeah. भाई देखो मेरी बात सुनो जब
If
आप
you build your characters wrong and you're spending 5 minutes just taking down a samurai, how is that fun?
yeah how that is not
Yes.
fun. That is not fun at all. और मतलब that is one of the more discouraging factors for like I think new players ही क्योंकि Inazuma में जो difficulty है वो इतनी spike हुई है mob
Yeah.
enemies और उनके through कि I don't think the average player who has not played any RPGs can sort of like wrap their head around KGK मतलब like ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. And another thing, the game, so the game does give you hints, but at the same time, wo hints are coming to you in the middle of like story quest, Archon quests,
And
world
you
quest.
don't pay attention.
Yeah.
I almost every other day I see like posts from like comments from players on Reddit who say ke, oh, you can level talents, I didn't even know you could do that.
Guided by destiny. Shudder.
The game doesn't explain to you.
I'll
how
be
talents
honest,
work.
yeah, I really thought the talent section was just like a way to know that what your character does. I never really thought that you could level these up as well. Because when you start the game, like leveling up your talents is locked behind like ascending your characters. So I
Yes.
had no idea you could actually level those up
Yeah,
as well.
because a lot of people just don't go back into the talent screen to
Yeah.
actually see what's up.
Hmm.
More speed.
And that's just like it's like one of those things that you just like can't know unless like you really dig into the
Or
game
like
actually.
someone else tells you who you play with and stuff,
Yeah.
like how it was in my case.
Yeah, मतलब वो वही है ना. It just comes back to like bad game mechanics. Like कि all of these hints and um all of these things that are supposed to help you in the game are happening to you while you're like मतलब you're अच्छा जी आप जो है वो क्या कहते हैं वेंटी की पहली आर्कॉन क्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, आप डिवालिन को मार रहे हैं और बीच में वो छोटा सा जो है वो क्या कहते हैं बार बार वो पीसी प्लेयर्स के लिए जी वो जी दबाएं तो जी वो हिंट्स आ जाती हैं, तो मतलब वो कौन पढ़ेगा? who's going to like you know who's going to read all of that?
Yeah, most
Yeah,
people don't
the
even read
mechanics
it,
have to
despite
be
the
more
exclamation
obvious.
mark.
Yes, and this just brings me to another thing कि elemental reactions जो हैं मतलब are not appropriately explained in the game. Like how are new players supposed to understand कि अच्छा जी cryo and electro does superconduct, तो ये जो जी cryo और super
Didn't they add a domain for that?
they
हाँ,
did
but
but
most people ignore it. Most people don't do
like
it.
I haven't done that domain. अभी तक नहीं की मैंने, अभी तक नहीं की मैंने वो domain like क्योंकि because like I already knew कि what was happening. But for new players जो जिन्होंने अभी तक मैप भी नहीं खोला उनके लिए वो डोमेन कैसे खुलेगी?
Yeah.
वो उनके लिए कैसे खुलेगी? वो पता नहीं कौन से एआर पे जाएंगे तो उनका मैप उतना एक्सप्लोर हुआ होगा और वो फिर उसके बाद करेंगे.
Yeah, it should be made mandatory to do that domain.
Yeah, मतलब mandatory and like मतलब it should be something like that is accessible to like in the like built into the story, I would say.
Yeah, matlab that's also what I was implying.
अच्छा, elemental reactions आ गए, ठीक है, everybody shits on Kaya but nobody like realizes कि जी के
Taken from the stars.
Kaya's a very
I'm
good
dead.
character.
oh my god, I just heard Mona, I will avenge you.
Be mine.
Thanks, Sheila.
Condemn you.
They
But yes,
overloaded me.
Kaya is actually good.
Yes,
Yes,
he
Kaya
is.
is good. If Kaya was a limited character, everybody would want him. It's just because he's free.
Shadows on top.
Like
He's-
that meme. No, nobody wants you for real.
Yeah, मतलब Kaya gets shit on a lot कि जी के oh he's very annoying ये वो flanning but people, because they do not know how to read the talent screen and they don't know how to read the attribute section
And how the numbers work.
and how the numbers work, they just like matlab, they disregard him even though Kaya
Here's
has
a fun fact: Kaya has the highest sword multipliers of any character. That includes 5-star sword characters.
yeah and matlab his synergy with Lisa is like actually matlab it's actually quite
Good, actually.
In fact, running a melt team with Kaya and like Rosaria and stuff is very, 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 very good.
yes he's also like I think he's also considered the best meld support for Diluc as well.
Oh,
Yes,
I didn't know that.
yes, yes.
And Kaya's constellations are perhaps one of the best constellations in the game. Like, matlab,
Yeah,
he is such a self-sufficient DPS that he can run without a healer. He can run without a shielder. He can like buff his own like abilities. Like, matlab, who does that? Matlab, apart from like maybe Ningguang or
Ningguang.
Xiangling जो है वो क्या कहते हैं जो गुबा रेड चिली फेंक के जाता है, मतलब I have not seen a lot of other characters जो है वो क्या कहते हैं do this. And matlab it's like matlab the game, I don't know if it's like deliberate.
Because they want you to pull they want you to pull who's on the banner.
Yes, they want you to pull who's on the banner. Yes, that's like matlab that I understand the appeal. But the thing is, when you start the game, you have a 10 pull, right? And then by playing through the story, so you get like maybe 20 acquaint fates or something, ठीक है, जिसमें से 20 में से मतलब लाइक वो 20 के 20 तो जो है वो नोविस बैनर पे चले जाते हैं, जिसमें से आपको एक गारंटीड नोएल मिलती है और लाइक इट्स योर लक कि जी कि आपको अगर कोई 5 स्टार मिलता है वहाँ से तो ठीक है, अल्लाह अल्लाह खैर सलाह, वरना तो जो है वो जी यू लाइक मतलब जो मिला उससे आप काम चलाएं. But like what I really want to sort of like highlight maybe is कि ये सारी चीज़ें अगर मतलब अब काया का जो इंट्रोडक्शन है गेम में आई रिमेंबर ठीक है मतलब डिवालन जो है वो
or you'll get soaked.
डिवालन जो है वो क्या कहते हैं चीज़ें तोड़ फोड़ा होता है और जी वो मतलब ही जस्ट लाइक कैजुअली वॉक्स आउट और जी ही इज़ लाइक सस्पेक्टिंग कि जी के ओ जी ट्रैवलर हु आर यू और लाइक ब्ला 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 और मतलब एंड देन ही हैज़ दैट स्टूपिड वर्ल्ड क्वेस्ट फॉर अस ठीक है जिसमें ही कम्स ऑफ दिस लाइक अनोइंग प्रैक्टिकल जोकर टाइप कैरेक्टर which
Yes.
which is just like you know matlab a premise for like making players hate him even though he's like you know not supposed to be hated.
Yeah, and lore wise is a very is a pretty important
I
character
should
as well.
probably use someone besides Mono.
Rack and ruin.
Someone who can take a hit at least.
I mean yes that would be nice. I mean if you take out like Diona or something तो जो है वो क्या कहते हैं मतलब that would be nice as well क्योंकि we need a healer. I don't know for मेरी यूला को पता नहीं क्या हुआ एकदम से 18,000 से 6,000 पे चली गई है हेल्थ. अच्छा so yes back to Kaya's introduction into the game being annoying.
Yes.
So that is like matlab something that I want new players to like you know also like be careful of कि some characters
Are presented better than others.
yes are presented better than others matlab like Lisa has always been like वो this like you know slutty librarian type character कि you know ओ हाँ ये तो बस सिर्फ books पढ़ती है और like she makes weird noises while climbing cliffs तो जो है उसका तो और कोई काम नहीं है. हालांकि like in the current meta with like characters like Yoimiya or Yanfei she is an excellent overlord enabler for them क्योंकि Lisa का जो ult है it catches even airborne enemies.
Yes. But especially with the new Spectre enemies.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So acha so if like a new player is like starting out and they are overwhelmed with information what is like the number one thing that they can do? This is provided like matlab you know this is like with no prior experience to playing RPGs like me. Like I remember ke, like matlab, how hard it was for me to like digest all this information and matlab, if I didn't have like you cover around to help me ke, oh crit rate kya hota hai, crit damage kya hota hai, what is like what do you call balancing a character. So I don't know matlab like what should a new character जो है वो क्या कहते हैं
I think the
loud
first
for-
thing you should know is how to read your character's numbers.
yes.
Also, on a completely random note, you should learn to not waste your experience books at the start of the game.
Yes,
In the sense
because
that-
early game is very different from late game.
Yes.
Yes
So
that
if you're just starting out, like if you're just starting out like this week, then don't worry about anything.
Yeah. But sorry, what were you
maybe
saying?
when you're
about,
AR35.
hmm.
reading numbers.
Yeah, you should like the first thing is to read the numbers. Read the numbers and see
Time down.
what the attack is and how changing the attack helps you, how changing certain things on your character helps you. Because
At least I feel like a lot of players who are starting out don't understand how like what to do with artifacts. So I feel like for what people don't understand is like it's only at AR45, मतलब late game में जाके you realize that you have to build crit rate, crit damage, and all of these other things. At early game, all you need to worry about is just building attack, which is why like most characters will be fine with using an attack headpiece, attack
attack
timepiece,
everything
and
and don't
attack
worry
goblet.
about things like set bonuses.
Yeah.
Because up to like a certain point, maybe AR35, AR40, you can get by without even caring about your artifacts too much.
We need a
Just
pyro
slap on
here.
whatever is good.
Illusion shattered.
No, Electro will work for him.
Yeah, she won't trigger it on his shield, bhai.
Oh, हाँ.
I will have order.
Beg for mercy.
Maybe cut out the cough.
Yeah, sorry.
No.
Come on. Eye for an eye. Do it. Let the show begin.
Still not dead.
Dead.
Oh my god. I need to hydrate my oral cavity after talking so much.
Pani pi lo and then we will resume.
Nobody wants you for real.
Yeah, matlab, but then that's the whole thing, na? That's the whole premise. Ke, matlab, Genshin is deliberately trying to undersell you characters in favor of others. But if somebody who does not have Ayaka or did not win the 50-50 on Ayaka, but has Xingqiu C6, Benny C1, like for Bennett, like the only constellation that matters on him is like C1, guys. Matlab, really. Matlab, yes, like matlab, for his art, like matlab,
More speed.
C5 is great, but if you don't have that, so like for new players, this isn't something Luha Pulajo. This isn't something that new players should be crying about. KGK, oh, I don't have a C6 Bennett. And like yes, also another expectation of like
Is excellent. If we had
C6ing
There are people doing
full recon of enemy
the
activity,
harder stuff without Bennett. Some people just don't like Bennett.
yeah, some people
But don't feel obligated to play a character you don't like.
well, like
Just because someone told you to.
like so
And that
this
can be another part of the video. Like, who should you play?
yeah, who should you play? But like, and I've seen this. So do you want me to like matlab, not go in that direction and like make that a separate video? Yeah, do you like matlab, want
That's up to you. But like in my experience, there are two sides to this debate. One is pull for who you like, and the second is pull for who is good. But I think the only reasonable answer is pull for who you like if they're good. Because at the end of the day, you kinda have to play the game. You have to get through the stuff in the game.
Yes.
Yeah.
You
You
can't
can't-
only pull supports.
Yeah, you can't
Elbit
expect to make a full team out of 4 DPS characters
Yeah, that's kind of something that
because you won't really have fun.
or you'll get soaked.
yes you want, and this is something that I have seen new players do a lot as well because they follow the वो वाली advice ना कि oh यार it's just a game, you know, like जैसा मर्जी दिल करता है करो. And I've seen people use Xiao on very decent and run him as like very decent support for Ayaka, and I'm like
Building elemental mastery. and
yes.
stuff.
अच्छा, do you guys remember that player that क्या कहते हैं we like अच्छा खैर I don't know how if you like मतलब like co-op mind with that player or not, but so the player had Hu Tao C3, two staff of Homas, one on Zhongli, one on Hu Tao, Diluc with Wolf Gravestone, like and every 5-star character with their probably best in slot 5-star weapon, right? But
Yeah.
their characters were like matlab, atrociously built. So in the end, even if you are spending money, but you don't know how to spend the money, are you like matlab,
You're
Really
wasting your
making the
money.
most out of it.
are you making the most of it? Because like that player was then so resource deprived that they would just and then they were also not disciplined enough about the resources. Like they would not wait 3 days for like you know these minerals to like sort of spawn and then mine them. They would just like erratically go all over and like you know they would just like matlab, like do it erratically basically is what I mean.
Would that be fun? It wouldn't be fun for me.
No, it wouldn't. I
can't speak for anyone, but
tried co-op mining with that player multiple times. Because I was under the impression that maybe okay, chalo, they know how to resource manage, right? but like it was like so stupid कि like I was like what are you trying to do, you know, because it just doesn't feel like कि it just doesn't feel like you're trying to be
I
serious with the game.
देखो, there are people who like all kinds of characters, right? Now, they say, oh, I want child, even though maybe some other character is like ranked as a better character by people who say that they're stronger or weaker or whatever. You want to play child, by all means play child. Like there is nothing holding you back from doing that. But if you do decide to play child, and then you're putting on like all HP and defense artifacts on that child, and then you're like your child sucks so bad that he can't even like beat like a samurai or a specter or like even like whatever you need to ascend child, then are you really going to enjoy that character the way that they should be enjoyed?
Definitely not. And I think this brings me to another point that I like want to highlight for new players is like ration your fragile, because like shuru mein you're climbing adventure ranks really high really fast,
Oh yes,
and you're
fragile
getting
legend, very valuable.
you're getting so many rewards and you're like oh my god ये तो बड़े rewards मिल रहे हैं जी मतलब you know this is like going to like last forever, but like that's not the case, you know, like the game makes you go through the जो है वो क्या कहते हैं the resources so fast कि मतलब before you even know it जो है वो क्या कहते हैं you're just like मतलब you're just like empty handed basically, and and then it just sucks because like you have a total of what 180 resin of the day take because resin refresh rates are subhanallah,
Yeah.
you know, तो उसके अंदर लाइक मतलब आप रियलिस्टिकली स्पीकिंग आप क्या कर सकते हो, या तो जो है वो आप 4 दफ़ा जो है वो कोई वर्ल्ड बॉस कर सकते हो विच कॉस्ट 40 रेजन, या तो जो है वो आप जो है वो क्या कहते हैं 4 कंडेंस या 4 कंडेंस और एक 20 रन का वो कर सकते हो डोमेन कर सकते हो, जिसमें से आर्टिफैक्ट डोमेन्स तो जो है वो क्या कहते हैं आर लाइक मतलब रियली लॉन्ग टर्म इन्वेस्टमेंट ना। आर वी डूइंग इनोजुमा के माइनिंग स्पॉट्स पे?
पता नहीं।
Will follow you.
I don't know the routes.
I have some marked out, so like matlab we can do it on the
We
old
just
islands.
follow you.
We can do it on the old islands. I'm not really sure about the mining spots on the new ones. Khair. So where was I? Yes, the so मतलब आपके पास 180 रेजन है, ठीक है, या तो आप जो है 4 दफ़ा वर्ल्ड बॉसेस कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, और या तो जो है वो आप 4 कंडेंस की डोमेन्स कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, उसमें भी आर्टिफैक्ट्स भाई इट इज़ अ नोन फैक्ट नाउ कि मीहोयो, और इसके ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा कैलकुलेशंस हो चुकी हैं प्लेयर्स की कि मीहोयो डेलिबरेटली क्या कहते हैं हाउ शुड आई से दिस के प्रिफर्स आर्टिफैक्ट्स या जो है वो क्या कहते हैं जिनके स्टार्ट्स डिफेंस या एचपी में होते हैं।
Oh yes, there are actually numbers to show this.
Yes, there are numbers to show this, to prove this कि मतलब like आपको जो है वो क्या कहते हैं अगर आप आर्टिफैक्ट हंटिंग करने जा रहे हैं वापस कामिसाटो स्टेट पे अगर आप आर्टिफैक्ट हंटिंग करने जा रहे हैं तो लाइक आई थिंक 70 to 80% of the time what you're going to get is like a defense or an HP piece, right?
Yes.
And उसके बाद जो है वो क्या कहते हैं अच्छा फिर नए प्लेयर्स को ये भी नहीं पता होता कि जी के आर्टिफैक्ट्स को रीड किस तरह करना है। अब इफ आई most of the new
And
players
the game does not explain it.
and the game does not explain
Yes.
it either, ठीक है, if I ask a new player कि अच्छा तुम्हें like what artifact did you get, तो उनका go to answer होता है फ्लावर मिला है। भाई फ्लावर किस चीज़ का मिला है, हाउ डू मतलब लाइक किस सेट का है, मतलब
किस
you know
set का है,
किस
what
सेट
like
का है और मतलब like
what's the main stat, what's the sub stats,
what are the main stats, what are the sub
what
stats,
rarity it is.
what rarity it is, like मतलब I need all this information, you know, मतलब
To
I'm
tell you if it's good or not. Yeah.
yeah मतलब and I'm part of like a Pakistani like Facebook group जिसमें like guys play Genshin Impact वगैरह, और इसमें बहुत सारे नए प्लेयर्स आते हैं और लाइक देर लाइक के ओ गाइस टेल मी कौन सा कैरेक्टर अच्छा है, और जो है वो क्या कहते हैं मेरे पास जो है वो जी एक्स कैरेक्टर है, वाई कैरेक्टर है, जी कैरेक्टर है, और मैंने अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले गेम शुरू की है, तो मुझे बताएं कि जी कोई कैरेक्टर कॉम्बिनेशन बताएं विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी लाइक मतलब लाइक गेम ब्रेकिंग, कोई पायरो निकाल ले प्लीज़.
And also, um, like sure that's fine. Like I've also seen like Reddit comments asking, you know, here are the characters I've got, and what teams can I build from these, right? And that's absolutely fine. Like I would help you, but do you even like any of these characters?
Yes.
Nice and spicy. Eat this.
Right? Like first of all, tell me who you want to play and what you want to do, and then I'll tell you how to build them.
Yes, and my Shangling died for some reason. Oh,
Won't go in the water.
no, actually, I got crushed to death by a slime. And plus, Raiden का जो E8 like electro charges the water, तो
And overloads everyone.
and overloads everyone. Yes, तो मतलब sorry, let me change back to, I guess, like maybe Diona. So yes, so sorry, so yeah, so sorry, what were you saying? How I continue?
So I was saying that first decide who you want to play, because it is hard building a proper character, right? The game does not give you enough resources to build everybody.
Yes, max it is like max you can like what maybe you can afford is 2 characters, like 1 character per patch.
Yes,
Per
because
patch I mean like oh, sorry यहाँ पे वो like अच्छा नहीं आया मैं स्टोन जो sorry what I mean is like 2 characters per patch, क्योंकि like अब हर बैनर 20 दिन का होता है राइट, तो उस एक 20 दिन में जो है वो क्या कहते हैं मतलब you can maybe probably build like maybe 1 character per banner.
yeah, at AR-55, if you're going for good artifacts, and I'm not talking about the best artifacts, I'm talking just good artifacts.
Like 50
You need-
100 crit
you
ratio
need-
type.
Yeah. A very like, I would say good build, not great build. You need around a month of artifact farming.
Yes, absolutely. मतलब
On average, unless you don't get lucky.
yes, मतलब and
Yeah, you can get lucky and get it in a week.
yeah, मतलब
Yeah,
that's-
like I did with Diluc. I built Diluc within a week somehow. I got crazy lucky in the Crimson Wish domain.
हाँ और मतलब
I got
60
lucky with
62,
Ayaka, I would say. I
200.
got Ayaka up to speed very, very fast.
Shine down. La la la. Think you can bully me?
So
Oh god, why is
first you
Why
kind
is
of have to
Zombie cooking?
decide who you want to build, who you want to play, because you can't play everybody.
हाँ
Kind of have to pick your faves. And then you have to like actually like look up how people suggest playing them. You don't have to play exactly the same way. You can break the rules, but and have to have a general idea of how a character works, right? I mean, you can build a DPS Barbara, but should you build a DPS Barbara? What long-term benefit does building a DPS Barbara get you?
Yes, another thing that like with regards to artifacts is okay, so the game does help you in the kind of way like when you unlock the adventurers handbook जो daily commissions देती है और आपके enemies को जो है वो track करती है वो सारा कुछ, तो
Yeah, very helpful.
वेरी हेल्पफुल. एक तो लाइक मतलब अगर आपने भाई फार्मिंग करनी है, यूर शॉर्ट एनी मटेरियल, प्लीज जस्ट गो इनटू दैट बुक एंड लाइक सी वेयर इट इज ऑन द मैप. मतलब why do like मतलब low level AR players जो है वो क्या कहते हैं expect you know कि अगर
To
like
buy
आप
it from the shop.
no buy it, yes, buy it from the shop एक तो please do not buy these things from the shop like star
Oh yes,
star
don't buy materials from the shop. You
yes
don't
It's a
even need
waste.
resin to farm them.
yes there are multiple videos on YouTube from different sort of like
Insolent.
you know on like resin free like runs and stuff and like you can do that मतलब उसमें कोई resin नहीं लगता yes like for sure जो है वो क्या कहते हैं you know time लगता है
Oh yeah, it's hard if you want to like get good at the game.
well not even good I would say कि मसला यही है कि instant sashimi
What is this?
who said Raiden can't cook
Anyhow,
so like what I'm saying is कि like artifacts are like 90% of a character's power but the game in the beginning through the adventure book gives you a very like matlab, I would say like at intervals it gives you artifacts that you can like matlab, equip on your characters whether they're DPSs or whether they are supports in a way that can sort of like help you get through the content. Another thing like and this is brings me back to the lack of like again the lack of pointers in the game or lack of hints in the game. If the game would tell you about elemental reactions, ठीक है, तो people would definitely be equipping the early gladiator वाली जो artifacts हैं on their DPSs.
Yes.
Because you
Yeah.
do get quite a lot मतलब quite a lot of artifacts gladiator artifacts जो है वो क्या कहते हैं from the adventure handbook और उसके अंदर जो है वो क्या कहते हैं मतलब like उसके अंदर जो है वो क्या कहते हैं maidens भी जो है वो क्या कहते हैं आपको मिलता है which is like मतलब the go to set for Barbara because like Barbara is the only free healer that you get when you reach AR20 I guess like
There is no escape.
oh yeah. You have to reach AR20. Huh?
Yeah.
तो मतलब this lack of like मतलब
Also, some people don't know the fact that you can do Abyss floor 3, I believe, to get Shangling for free.
Shangling, yeah.
Genuinely, people don't know that, and I was very surprised.
yeah मतलब yes
Like, I was browsing Reddit, and this one guy managed to fish and farm for catch R5, and he was going to give it to Raiden, but he ended up losing the 50-50 and got someone else. So he was like, who should I give it to? And people were suggesting Shangling, and he said, oh, I don't have any Shangling. So people were like, it's free, just get it from Abyss.
yes
And he was like, oh, I just claimed it. I'm AR45.
yes that is the वो no that is the वो मतलब यार like a lot of these showcases for DPSs and stuff are either usually done on like really like bad crit ratios or they're either done in like Abyss flow rate where the leyline disorder is like I don't know like
Floor
what
7.
floor 7 where
Floor
you're
7 gives you like big burst buffs.
yeah
Oh.
I think you guys तुम लोग बहुत नीचे चले गए इधर ऊपर आओ वापस
Here, I'm with you.
I don't see you
I fell down.
okay so like how like matlab like the thing that you were saying कि like like pull someone who you like and is also good. I think a good example of that is like Klee right now in front of me. Like you've like liked the character of Klee for a very long time and you were like dead set on like getting her despite there being a lot of caveats to playing her including
There are
animation.
caveats to playing her. That
Yeah.
does not mean she's bad. It's
Yeah.
just that you need to first of all learn how to play her, and then it's like, do you care about the meta?
Yeah.
Because people will discourage you from rolling characters that don't fit their definition of good.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Like everyone has an objective opinion, but some objective opinions about some characters are universal, right? Like for example, if
Shinyan.
like poor Shinyan, right? Her like
Yeah.
her scaling, her kit is just too all over the place for her to be like, like a contender. Even though I have like her C3, I believe, which guarantees me like a crit on my burst, and I can like not build her for crit that way, just like it is with Kokumi. But I have not, because like I have so my reason for not building her has largely been due to because people keep saying she's not good, right? Even though I have expressed my desire to build her multiple times, and like Havar is proof, like Havar knows that I've said this to
I
him multiple.
always discourage him.
Yeah,
from doing
I
it
am
because
always.
it's for the characters that he has, for the teams that he has right now, she would be a bad resin investment.
Yeah,
Yeah.
If you don't care about that kind of thing, then like go ahead.
yeah. One thing like what I've noticed is like ever since I've started making content for YouTube, I've suddenly really realized like being a low spender or F2P is like not really YouTube friendly in this sense, because like it just doesn't leave you too much with like stuff to like test or do.
Yeah, but I'd still say like some people like Enviosity still pointed proved otherwise.
Yes, but Enviosity ka scene ye hai कि he does like abyss pulls na, and matlab like the he's gathered a following based on the notion that he's completely F2P. He's like F2P to the point where he doesn't even pull on banners.
Yeah,
He's like
that's
he
true.
matlab wo, like Howard was saying ke people like hate Bennett. Like I think he has dedicated his entire life to sort of I would
Yeah,
say
in the beginning he was not playing Bennett at all.
he was
had
not
Bennett.
uh,
He got him from permanent banner, I think,
hmm,
and he was not playing Bennett. Now he uses Bennett in like his recent Abyss team, but he doesn't like really like using Bennett. He
hmm,
sees him more as a necessity, an easy way to get get a strong team.
yeah, yeah. So he built a following around the shock value of like, oh, I'm not going to pull for any character at all, and I'm going to play with the characters that are just going to be provided for free, which like translates to which just translates to like Shangling हो गई Abyss से, और official official event और वो सारा कुछ like
वैसे I'd still say कि क्या नाम है I watched one of his old videos और उसमें वो बता रहा था कि like the reason why he still has less characters because he managed to get a lot of copies for a lot of the free to play characters, but he didn't activate them.
He doesn't generally activate constellations either. Although he does sometimes, like he got C1 Kazuha in like a 10 pull or something. So he activated that because it's too
Even
good to
Kazuha is
pass up.
worth it. Yes.
It's not even worth the clout not to activate it.
Sorry, what's not activated?
It's not even worth the clout to not activate.
Yes.
Shine down.
yeah. तो मतलब I get के like people are told के like oh this player is like a very good, a very very good example of this is Razor. People like matlab, like you know they practically simp for him. Oh like Razor boy, he's the best. ये और वो physical carry ये वो
Yes.
fund him का.
Oh, no Razor slander.
I like Razor.
No, like matlab, for you guys, देखो, this is like I'm just like giving you an example. Like for you guys, Razor is like an absolute matlab, like you know Chad matlab के
Doesn't like Razor.
like matlab, I have never like matlab, like you know understood the appeal behind him because I started the game off with Beidou and then I got like you know Kiching. I got Kiching and then जो है वो क्या कहते हैं, you know, it was just like I just didn't like necessarily feel the need to build him at that point,
Yeah.
you know, and
But,
then
I think he's mostly like not necessary to do anything in the game now.
so he's
ये क्या?
He's not like really necessary now.
हाँ, true. It's just the fact that when I started the game, so he was just like this really convenient way of playing the game because white numbers are just like आपको नजर आए and like white numbers ही high हो तो when white numbers high, what's the point of
Yeah,
other numbers
yeah,
being
yeah.
high?
yeah, and another
Because
thing,
in the beginning you're not really doing elemental damage all that.
Yeah.
yes.
And await my orders.
अच्छा Nazuchi beach पर आ जाओ. अच्छा another thing, so white numbers like you know are indicative of physical damage. The game does not tell
Yes.
you that. Okay, like yes, fine. मतलब like if you're doing pyro damage and everything, so it shows up as red, yellow, blue, purple. You know, तो आपको पता
It
चल
killed
जाता है.
my Klee.
It killed your Klee. Where are you guys?
I'm mad now. I'm coming to you.
Oh my god. आ जाओ आ जाओ. So मतलब like see, so like people don't know what white numbers mean. You know. So matlab, these are like little things like the game can like maybe better explain or you know new
Yeah, true.
like I don't know, I kind of feel like people who are making content on Genshin have a responsibility to tell these things as well, but what they sort of like rely on is ke, oh like hey guys, I'm spending $2,000, let's see what we get, and then when
Because that gets the attention.
yes,
Yeah.
that gets the attention, that's true, but you know there's I saw this video where he said he has spent $7,000 so far, most of which he has written off as like tax refunds. So that means he'll get the money back. And he was like,
Wow.
he was like explaining in the video, okay, oh, it's not really worth your while to spend money on this game and they or wo flant him ka and you know just like bullshit stuff. And I think I sent you that video and I was like, what is this guy talking about? Like why does he think I have $7,000 to like spend again? Like please like clarify that to me. And
Yeah, like dude, you don't need to tell us. We're not spending that.
yeah, we're not spending that. I like इसका मतलब like वो एक वो ही है ना, like tried and tested method के like he will like shit on a character. He'll be like, oh, you know, I'm not pulling this character because इसमें ये मसला है. And then he'll be like a week later, and then week later he'll be like, oh my god, best character pull ever. And that just like disillusions me as well in the sense ke like matlab, how am I supposed to trust the information that I'm looking up on the internet, you know, because like people, the general consensus is that you know whatever you find on the internet is true and helpful, but hopefully you know we break that cycle and like just tell players to be like a little more, I don't know, like matlab, I don't want to use the word,
Cautious.
I don't want to use the word cautious, that's the problem.
It is the right word to use, I think.
Okay, mom G domain.
It's very easy to get sucked in the trap of bad gacha.
Yes, that is true. Matlab, and I think the biggest example of that is like me getting Xiao C1 messed up my chances of securing Venti. Like I did not have enough gems by the end of Xiao's banner to sort of you know like
Yes, because you are being told that compulsively pulling these characters is good.
yeah,
Yeah.
And that is, I think that's like matlab, that is like what I was like focusing on a lot in the beginning as well, matlab, when I started the game. My aim was like, I remember when I started playing, so because of the delay in me, that 1 week delay, Klee had gone and I think Child was up. Yes. And I remember how you pulled Child. You pulled Diluc first and then Child, or like Child first and then
Yeah,
Diluc. I don't
the
remember.
Luke and Child.
So I was like trying really hard. I was like, oh my god, I need Child. Oh my god, I need Child. And if you were to ask me at that time, why do I need Child, I probably would not have been able to tell you, okay, acha, why do I need Child?
FOMO.
FOMO, like
Oh no, yeah, it's fear
that
of
was
missing
literally
out.
me ke like, oh, because Haver has Child, so I also need Child. Like I don't care what I have to do, I will get Child. And when I lost the 50-50 to Kiching, I was like, I was very disappointed. I was like, and I didn't even know about the 50-50 thing, or like, there's something called pity, soft pity, hard pity, and like guaranteed.
I don't think anybody knew these things at the time.
Yeah, nobody did, and like, Abibi, there is so much confusion about it. Ke, like, Hiki Village ke statue per. And there's still like so much confusion. Ke, like, I'm just like surprised. Ke, like, matlab, why are people not on top of this more? And so I lost the 50-50 on the Child banner to Kiching, and I was very sad, right? And I remember how were you telling me that like Kiching is probably the most sought after standard 5-star.
She was at the time for
She-
sure.
Yeah, yeah, matlab, and then it's like, another one of those examples ke like, pull a character that you like and is good. Like, yes, Kiching is like, shat on
Like,
because
to
of
an
the
extent, you can build any character to be good.
yes.
If your definition of good is just like kill everything on the map, you can build any character to do that. But and that is where like the real point of contention is. Yes, you should play who you like, but you should build them in a way that they give you that return on
Yeah.
investment.
They
Yes.
Whether
reach their
it is
maximum
financial
potential.
investment or like emotional investment. No?
Yes. And I think emotional investment is a good word to use, because I was very emotionally invested into Kiching. Like, matlab, I willingly sacrificed a lot of fragile in order to test out, the best build for her. Like, because the debate was like, oh, Thundering Fury is her best sort of like set, or Thundering Soother hai. And like, I tested all of those out, and then I reached a conclusion, okay, like 2-piece Glad, and like, like that's like the best way to go, because
When did you reach the conclusion that pitching is just bad? I'm just kidding. She's not bad. Don't quote me. I'm just kidding.
like, let me tag Kiching Main's subreddit here.
They will destroy me.
Yeah,
And Kitching Mains is actually scary to me.
they
Like they're doing too much.
they're probably the most helpful, like,
They
like,
are very reliable choreographers.
they're very
reliable.
reliable, helpful, and like
Like
Especially the
this is another
website.
tip for new players. If you like want to build a character and you don't know how to do it, go on Kitching Mains and they will tell you.
yes.
Yeah. I go join their Discord, or like just go to their website, which has guides for like
And I think they're
almost every
making
single
like
character.
YouTube guides now.
They have YouTube guides as well.
Yes, I think they've started making YouTube guides now.
Oh, that's good news.
That's actually nice.
Illusion shattered.
Is it just me or is this guy not taking damage?
Yeah, मर ही नहीं रहा था.
ये वो like हवा में था बहुत ज़्यादा ऊपर. Overload kept throwing him. Buoyancy थी बहुत ज़्यादा इस वाले Treasure Hoarder में.
Now you shall perish. Shine down.
अच्छा. So I guess that concludes the mining route and the mining session. And I think that also concludes the recording. So
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Kuntal.